everyone. The 2027 Toyota Century represents the pinnacle of Japanese automotive luxury, blending timeless elegance with state-of-the-art technology and refined performance. Today, we're taking a deep dive into this flagship sedan, exploring every angle, feature, and detail to understand why it remains one of the most prestigious and sought-after luxury vehicles in the world. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Century makes a statement with its understated yet commanding presence, signaling sophistication without being ostentatious. The exterior design continues to embody classic luxury, with smooth, flowing lines that exude authority and elegance. The front fascia features a large, polished grille with traditional chrome accents that give the car a stately appearance, complemented by modern, adaptive LED headlights that provide excellent visibility while maintaining the vehicle's refined aesthetic. The body proportions are perfectly balanced, with a long wheelbase that enhances cabin space, a low roofline for elegance, and subtle fender flares that hint at the power and stability beneath. Every detail, from the flush door handles to the sculpted rear end with distinctive taillights, is crafted to convey prestige, attention to detail, and a sense of timeless design that will remain relevant for decades. Inside the 2027 Toyota Century defines what luxury means in the modern age. The cabin is a sanctuary of comfort, crafted with the finest materials, including hand-stitched leather, rich wood trims, and brushed metal accents. The seats are fully adjustable with heating, cooling, and massage functions, ensuring comfort for both driver and passengers during short trips or long journeys. The rear cabin is especially impressive, designed with executive comfort in mind, featuring reclining seats, power footrests, and a host of convenience features like individual climate controls, premium audio systems, and ambient lighting that creates a serene atmosphere. The attention to detail is evident in every stitch, every surface, and every element of the interior design. Performance in the 2027 Century is understated yet impressive, reflecting Toyota's philosophy of refined power. The vehicle is powered by a smooth and responsive hybrid system that pairs a V8 engine with electric assistance, delivering seamless acceleration and remarkable torque for effortless cruising. The powertrain is calibrated for quiet, composed performance, emphasizing comfort and smoothness rather than aggressive speed, making the Century ideal for both city driving and highway cruising. Handling is precise and confident, thanks to adaptive suspension, optimized chassis rigidity, and advanced stability systems, providing a ride quality that is both composed and exceptionally comfortable, with minimal road noise or vibrations. Technology in the 2027 Century is cutting-edge while remaining discreet. The infotainment system integrates seamlessly into the dashboard, offering high-resolution displays for navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings without overwhelming the driver or disrupting the elegant interior. Rear seat passengers can access additional controls for media, climate, and seat adjustments, ensuring an experience comparable to the world's best luxury sedans. Safety features are extensive, including advanced adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision avoidance systems, pedestrian detection, and a full suite of driver assistance technologies, ensuring maximum protection for all occupants. Unique selling points of the Century go beyond performance and luxury. It is a symbol of prestige and refinement, offering an experience that combines craftsmanship, technology, and exclusivity. The attention to detail is unmatched, with every component designed to enhance comfort, convenience, and quiet luxury. Unlike many modern luxury sedans, the Century maintains a sense of tradition and presence while integrating modern innovations that elevate the driving and passenger experience. It is not just a car, it is an experience, a statement, and a standard of excellence in automotive luxury.